In this video, I'll show you how to disable secure boot on a Windows PC or laptop. If you're planning to install a custom operating system or need to boot from unrecognized recovery media, disabling secure boot can make the process much easier. But for normal day-to-day use, I recommend keeping secure boot enabled because it helps protect your system from malware and security threats. So without any further delay, let's get started. First, go to Windows Search and type System Information and press Enter. When the System Information window opens, scroll down and look for Secure Boot State. On the right side, you'll see its current value. If it says On, that means Secure Boot is enabled. This is a quick and easy way to check whether Secure Boot is turned on or off. Now let's move on to disabling Secure Boot. Close the System Information window. You'll need to restart your system and enter the BIOS. If you don't know your system's BIOS key, don't worry. I'll show you how to enter the BIOS directly from Windows. Click on the Windows Start button and open Settings. In the Settings window, go to the System tab, scroll down, and click on Recovery. Under Recovery options, you'll see Advanced Startup. On the right side, click the Restart Now button. Your system will restart and take you to the troubleshooting screen. From there, click on Troubleshoot, then go to Advanced Options, and from here select UEFI Firmware Settings. Click Restart and your system will boot straight into the BIOS settings. Once you're in the BIOS settings, look for the Secure Boot option. Open it, then find Secure Boot Enable. You'll see that it's currently enabled. Select the option Disable. A small warning message will appear saying that disabling Secure Boot will reduce system security. Just click Yes to confirm. Then finally, apply the changes and exit the BIOS. Alright, after disabling Secure Boot, open the System Information window again. If you check the Secure Boot state, you'll now see that it says Off. This confirms that Secure Boot has been successfully disabled, and that's how you can disable Secure Boot. And if you ever want to turn it back on, you can follow the exact same steps and simply enable it again from the BIOS. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.